Grist combines the best of spreadsheets, databases, and app builders. Let's break it down with an example. This sports league spreadsheet shows us all the players, including their teams and contact info. The ability to add rows and columns, as well as filter data, should feel familiar. It's a normal spreadsheet, easy to use, and a great way to interact with data. But data is often more complex than a single table. That's where databases come in, letting you store and relate data without duplicating information. For example, here are the players filtered by team. Already, this would be hard to do in a normal spreadsheet. Creating effective dashboards is also hard to do in a spreadsheet. With Grist, you can easily create something that feels like an app. Here's a breakdown of all players by position. Here's a calendar showing upcoming games filtered by team. Everything's pulling from the same data. Spreadsheets, databases, and app builders are the building blocks, but there are a few key features that make Grist greater than the sum of its parts. Let's take a quick look at access rules, dashboards, and Python formulas. Collaborating on sensitive data with a normal spreadsheet can be a mess of conflicting and out-of-date files. With Grist, everyone works from the same data. Let's take a look at another example, this time a device management document for a business. Grist's access rules let you control permissions down to the cell. Here's how it works. Now I'm viewing this document as Chelsea, a member of the IT department, and I can see all the data. And now I'm viewing as Leland, an employee from a different department. I can only see my devices and tickets, and I can't edit anything. Both users work from the same document, one source of truth. No duplication, and no one has to standardize and merge a bunch of spreadsheets manually. When your data is ready to analyze, Grist's no-code app building lets you make dashboards in minutes. Here you can see I've hidden the map. I can also move widgets around to get more space for notes. And since the primary interface is a spreadsheet, you can use your usual spreadsheet formulas. On top of that, Grist adds full Python support to superpower your functions. All of this is built upon an open source foundation with no data lock-in. You own your data, always. If you work with sensitive data or collaborate with a team, you'll make the most of your data with Grist, the best of spreadsheets, databases, and app builders. Try it now at getgrist.com and check out our extensive documentation and resources, including a Getting Started tutorial and dozens of templates.